whole car is now sanded in 3K and a 2K 3K combo. So the hood and the roof, they're all just done in 3K. And the sides, they're done in 2K 3K to remove a little bit more texture. So the car was fully painted 3 months ago, a little bit over 3 months ago. And the ideal time to wait to sand a car after it's been painted is about 3 months, so that it's done off-gassing and fully hardening. You can absolutely sand and polish a car as it comes out of the booth, but you are going to end up removing a lot more material because the clear coat is a lot softer, and there's no problem with that. It's completely fine. Everyone does it. Not everyone has the luxury of waiting that full 90 days, but I did, so I kind of wanted to do it as good as I knew how. And here we are, 3 months later, sanded, about to put on some polishing pads and get to work here. The painter absolutely killed it. The car looks incredible, and it was so hard waiting this long, but I am really glad I did. So we're going to finish cutting, polishing this today. I actually already did the bumpers, sunroof, and the leather little panels a while ago. So in this video, I'm going to finish up the body, and then the next video, everything's going to go back on with all new trims, and the car will essentially be complete from the upper half of it. hard part is complete. So the car is fully sanded and compounded, and I think it looks amazing. So it's a little bit redundant taking a new car or new paint and then sanding it to absolute death and then having to bring it back, but it's necessary and everyone does it after paint jobs, so I guess it's just part of the game, but definitely exhausting. When you're working on an old car and you're doing sanding and compounding, there's always going to be defects remaining and there's nothing you can really do about it, so you just accept it. But with fresh paint, you do have the option to remove every single defect, and that's what I attempted to do. I think I did it. In my opinion, I'd say I did do it, but yeah, it just took a lot of time. So now I'm going to take a super soft synthetic brush from Work Stuff and some steam. When you're sanding the clear coat and it dries out after it's been wet, it congeals really hard, so it's stuck in a bunch of the jams and little nooks and crannies. So I'm going to steam it and brush it out, clean up the paint, and then do a super fine finishing polish. Fast correcting cream with a wool pad and just a good clear coat really does finish well, so there isn't that much you're actually going to see change, especially on camera, but I will show it just for the process, but you won't see much change. So I'll do that, and then at that point the car is going to be fully ready to fully assemble. And I don't think I showed it on YouTube, but on Instagram I posted that I have all new trims with the car. Every clip, every bolts, every plastic piece, everything is brand new, so it should essentially go together pretty easily, or so I'm hoping. Might not remember where everything goes, but I'm going to do my best. I can look at the previous video of taking it apart if I need reference. But yeah, that is the plan. So soon you should see the finished product, and it's perfect for me because it's the middle of winter in Canada now, so I can drive it all the time. It's good timing. That's my bad.